Hey guys, Jenny here, and today's video is all about how you can find the best refinancing rates fast. Stay tuned to save thousands. Once you've decided refinancing is right for you and picked out the companies that offer the benefits you need, it's time to shop around for the best deal. You're entering the world of competition for your loans. That means companies need to give you the best deal to win that loan. To find the best rates without a million credit checks in your history, you'll want to check out the rate estimators on the refinancing websites. Before we get started, here's the information you're going to need to get your estimate. You're going to need the total amount of debt you intend to refinance. You'll need to submit your current monthly payment, your estimated credit score or social security number for a soft credit check, your repayment term from 5 to 20 years, your income and assets like savings account, retirement, 401k, that kind of stuff, your total amount of other debts, and your email or phone number. All right, let's switch over to screen recording so you can see how this works in practice. So this is what it looks like if you click the referral link for refinancing through Earnest. So you just start by clicking Get Your Rate. And then once you've clicked this, you're going to see just the basic information you need to start by putting in. So basically your name and contact information. And then next, you'll talk about your education history. You'll choose from the degrees from a drop-down menu and add the rest of your information. Then you'll talk about your finances, your annual income, essentially your assets, and then how much you owe for rent or mortgage. And then you'll put in just address information. And then finally, you'll choose a password and enter your social security number for a soft credit check, which doesn't impact your score or show up on your history. Accept the terms, and then you'll get your rate estimates. So these are what the rate estimates look like. You can see the different terms along the left side, and then you'll see the different rates. There's both variable and fixed rates. For the term that you want, you should just keep track of the rates that you have available to you so you can compare between different lending companies and refinancing companies. So once you've gotten the information that you need from this page, you can move on. All right, so this is what it looks like if you click the refinancing link for SoFi. And so you just click the student loan refinancing side of the link, and then you'll see it takes you to this screen, and you'll click Find My Rate, and then that will take you to the information you need to start with. So it's basic information. And then here comes the longer application, very similar to Earnest, so I won't go through it bit by bit. Once you have all that filled in, you can click the Check My Rate button. And then after you click that, you're going to see your estimated rates. So this is obviously dependent on how much debt you're looking to refinance. But you can see the different terms, and again, a fixed rate or what the variable interest rate looks like. So you can write down the terms or the rates for the terms that you're interested in. And you can kind of see them both listed here. And then you can take that information and compare it to the other refinancing companies that you've looked at. And now it's time to look at another company. All right, so this is ELFI. You'll click the Find My Rate button, and then you'll be taken to a login screen when you create your login. And after that, you'll fill in some information about your education and background, as well as the amount you want to refinance and your annual income, kind of the same information you've already filled in on the other applications. And then you'll get your rate estimates, both fixed and variable rates, and the rates depending on the specific term you're interested in. So again, you can take a look at the actual terms you want and write the rate down for that term and use it to compare to the other rates you've gotten. So now I'll compare the rate estimates from the three companies we got them from using a 5-year fixed term. So with Earnest, they estimated they would give me a rate of 3.78%. SoFi estimated of 4.625%, and ELFI gave me an estimate of 3.19%. So if I only considered these three companies, I would apply only to Earnest and ELFI because they have about 1% lower rates than SoFi does. Okay, so now you've seen a little bit what the rate estimators look like and what you have to fill in to find an estimated rate. And essentially what you want to do is once you get all those different rate comparisons, you want to write down the rates for the loan terms that fit for you. So if you're a 5-year term or a 10-year term, and whether you want a fixed or a variable rate, you want to write down the option you choose for each company, and then just pick 2 or 3 of the top companies and submit formal applications. A formal application does run a hard check on your credit, so you want to make sure that it's worth your time. Then you'll be on your way to getting the best rate and saving the most money on your student loan interest. I want to know what you guys thought of that video, and as always, please subscribe if you want more. And have a good week. Bye!